I'm Nathan Jackie from Tinkerbell High School, and I'm ready to become your IAC Northwest District Representative. Now, why I consider myself a great candidate? Well, I've been in student council for years, and I've had numerous leadership positions, as well as in the Boy Scouts of America. Now, if I'm elected, I want to attempt to get more students involved in the student council and the IAC. Now, how do I intend on doing this, you might ask? Well, first of all, I want to start activities at IAC events that can help leaders organize their councils better, because more students will likely join if they know that their councils are organized and run successfully. Second of all, I want to discuss with fellow student council members why students at their schools are not joining and how they can change that. So, to conclude, if you want to try to start change and get more students involved in your council, please consider voting for me at the Representative Assembly, and together we can all go Wacky for Jackie.